Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change Kia Optima Headlight Easy Guide. Start by opening the hood and locating the headlight assembly behind the front bumper. Remove the battery cable to ensure safety, and then access the rear of the headlight housing. Unscrew retaining clips or bolts, carefully pull the housing forward, and disconnect the bulb connector. Replace the bulb by aligning tabs, reconnect the harness, reseat the housing, tighten fasteners, and reconnect the battery. Begin by turning the steering wheel slightly to create room and locate the headlight access point. Remove any protective covers or splash shields blocking the rear of the headlamp assembly. Disconnect the electrical plug by pressing the tab and pulling straight back to avoid bending pins. Note the bulb orientation before removing it by rotating counterclockwise or releasing the retaining clip. Dispose of the old bulb responsibly and avoid touching the glass on the new bulb before installation. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: if you want something small that lasts way longer than you expect, try those durable socks I wear for long garage sessions. They are built with a lifetime warranty and really hold up. I include a link and other deals in the description so you can check them out for yourself. Now let's get back to the video. With the new bulb in hand, use gloves or a clean cloth to prevent skin oils from damaging the bulb surface. Match the bulb tabs to the housing slots and gently insert while keeping the assembly straight to avoid misalignment. Twist or latch the bulb into position until it is secure, then reconnect the electrical connector. Temporarily reconnect the battery and test both low and high beams to confirm operation. Once confirmed, reinstall covers and tighten all fasteners securely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.